Yeller. Stop. How are you? I'm Tia. I upload 4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, Sunday. I also do surprise uploads, so you're gonna want to subscribe. You're gonna want to hit the bell, because then you'll see when I'm loading up videos. Uploading videos? Yeah, I may or may not have been drinking wine. So today I am doing another wig review, and I was reviewing this wig, which is Free Trust Equals 5-inch lace parting wig, meaning it's full cap, just a lace parting, easy peasy lemon squeezy. And this is Venetia. So that made me want to move on to this Mayde Beauty, which, just like Model, I think that they're the same as Free Trust Equal. I don't know that for sure, but I'm pretty sure. The color names are the same, a lot of the wigs are the same, textures, all that, but blah, blah, blah. This is a Mayde Beauty, and this is a 6-inch, not a 6-inch lace parting wig. That means it's just a lace part full cap wig. This is Kayla, and she is in the color FFRusset, which is going to be the face framing colors, but she's going to fall into that little bit of reddish. And I don't usually like those because there's like an FF Amber and all that, and I don't usually like that, but I really love this coloring. And she's curling safe up to 400 degrees. The color shown here is really beautiful too, and that's B01B627. I scooped her up from Wig Types for $23.94. So let's get her. I have this whole Halloween pumpkin thing going on because I'm obsessed with fall. So I figured I would go ahead and grab her because she's gonna go with it. You'll see. This is Miss Kayla. OMG. Gorgeous yaki texture. This is her parting space, looks pretty good. A little bit of curve, which is nice. She has 2 combs in the front, comb in the back, adjustable straps. The coloring on this is so pretty. It's definitely like a 1B, and then it goes into these dark, pretty auburns, and then this light auburn on the bottom. I'm dying for this color. So let me get her on because I'm excited to do so. Oh. Hey, she has a roomy wig cap for sure. This is someone, if you want a larger wig cap, this is definitely, she's really giving me Folami vibes, and Folami is one of my all-time favorite wigs. You can see a review on that. That's Free Trust Equals Folami. Oh my gosh, she's giving me a Folami Jestic situation. Model's Jestic and Folami. I'm dying. I love this wig already. I absolutely love this wig. Let me get her together. I love this wig. I'm so excited. You see the happiness on my face. Let me get this chick together, and then I'll come back. wig. The color is stunning. This is really long wig. I'm 5'6.5". So yeah, I'm 5'6.5". So she's coming 24, 26 inches. The color's stunning. The texture is a yaki texture, but it's like one of those like protein infused yaki textures. I'm obsessed with this wig, and I'll tell you why. She is like Model's Jestic, which is one of my favorite, meets Free Trust equals Folami, which is also one of my favorites. She is not as thick and warm as Folami, but she's a very warm wig. This is a fall winter wig for sure, and the color is fall winter. Let's look at her from the back. Yeah, oh my gosh, look at that coloring. So gorgeous. Movement, she's very long. Movement is so pretty. My two favorite wigs in one, in a beautiful color. Who could ask for more? I 150% suggest this wig. She's very soft. I'd probably set this down when I wear her. I'll probably set this down just a little bit more, just to make sure that it lays a little bit flatter and out of my face a little bit more. Yeah, I would set this down a little bit more. That's just my preference. Some people like it bumped up. I just like it sort of, I would lay it down and then spray it with more of a free spray instead of this. I mean, this is a free spray too. I would just lay it down just a little bit more, but outside of that, and that's my preference. I love this. It's very long. She will probably tangle a little bit, but because she's both yaki and then also soft, she's going to come out really easily. Just stay on her. She's so beautiful and sexy. Sexy hair. I love this. I absolutely love this. If you kind of want to dabble in red, but you don't want to get too crazed, this would be a perfect coloring, this FFRusset, because it's a little red, but it's not like a burgundy. It's not, you know, like a 530 or a 350. It's nothing like that. It's not a fire engine type situation. And with this texture, I think it just looks so gorgeous. So that is my review for Miss Kayla. I'm absolutely loving this wig. I cannot wait to rock her. And okay, so if you want to see another one of the Mayde Beauty wigs, please put that down below. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. And if you have, thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.